Greetings, knowledge seekers. Dr. Jogaila Vaitekaitis here. In today's episode of EDU Papers, we'll be diving into an empirical study examining how university teachers assess AI-written texts versus human student texts. In other words, could a machine take your home exams? Could your teacher detect it? The study focuses on university teachers and lecturers across 4 departments: philosophy, law, sociology, and education. These disciplines from the humanities and social sciences rely heavily on open-ended written exams or home examinations as part of their assessment. With ChatGPT's uncanny ability to generate human-like text, teachers now face a perplexing predicament. How can we detect if a student's exam response is their own original work versus AI written? The key questions of the paper were: 1. How well does ChatGPT perform on home exams? 2. What is ChatGPT's impact on teachers' assessment practices? Diving into the study's design, researchers conducted an experiment inspired by the iconic Turing test. 24 teachers and lecturers were shown anonymized home exam responses to their own test questions, some written by students who had previously received highest grades, others generated by GPT 3.5. Without knowing the source, teachers scored each response on quality. Shockingly, ChatGPT passed at high rates from 38% in education up to 86% in philosophy. In simple terms, this means that responses from ChatGPT are more likely to be accepted in philosophy and less likely in education, with sociology and law falling in between. Here's where it gets really interesting. In certain cases, participants suspected the text might be written by a chatbot and not a student. The perceived suspicion was between 14 and 23% across text. Indicators included strange, nonsensical words, lack of opinion, impersonal tone, and repetition across responses. Later, in focus groups, researchers discovered an intriguing bias. Teachers seemed to be more critical towards student-written texts, even grading them more harshly compared to anonymous responses from ChatGPT that were of equal quality. Several of the participants suspected that the student texts assessed were bot-written, either because they assumed that some errors and inaccuracies were not human-like, or because they thought that a response was too good to be written by a real student. But they actually were written by human students. And now, the knowledge nugget. The post-phenomenological approach used in the qualitative part of the paper is grounded in the philosophy of technology research and mediation theory, which focuses on studying the relations between humans, technology, and the world. It emphasizes how technological artifacts impact human experience and actions. As mentioned, the teachers mistook student-written texts for bot-written ones, seeing flaws in them as non-human. This observation is in line with post-phenomenologist Verbeek's argument that even without interacting with a technological artifact, its presence in society could influence behavior. While risks of AI exploitation are evident, the researchers ultimately promote measured optimism. Rather than reactive banning of AI, they advocate adaptation through partnerships with technology. So, the key takeaways from this paper are: 1. ChatGPT can achieve passing undergraduate exam responses. 2. Chatbots may increase mistrust between teachers and students. 3. More research on AI's impact on assessment integrity is vital. While limited by sample size and experimental design, this study provides important insights into ChatGPT's potential for better or worse. Intrigued viewers can find the full paper below. For now, stay curious as we keep exploring the AI age. This is Dr. Jogaila, signing off.